How to get specific option tag text with jQuery. Alright, say I have this. What would the selector look like if I wanted to get option B when I have the value 2? Please note that this is not asking how to get the selected text value, but just any one of them, whether selected or not, depending on the value attribute. I tried, but it is not working. It's looking for an element with the ID list, which has a property value equal to 2. What you want is the option child of the list, as follows. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.